Hi everyone, good news for you. On Your Side Investments is bringing the How to Jump in Investment Property program to Melbourne to see our Melbourne clients and support those in Melbourne who are keen to find out more about how it works. As for those who have read the book already, you'll understand that my background is I've been bitten by the sharks when buying investment property. I've worked for them, I've been bitten by them, and a lot of my friends and investors actually have some experience. And the problem is that most people out there are really just looking to try and make as much money as they can. On Your Side Investments was started off to help those investors who needed a bit of help and wanted to avoid being bitten by the sharks. So I'll explain very briefly what to expect at an On Your Side Investments event. The beauty is there's nothing being sold. You can buy a copy of the book, and I'd encourage that one, and there's donations for our Pass It On charity and the work we're doing there. But on the whole, we don't want to sell a property to anybody because I believe that every investor is different, and if I had the audacity to come and bring you 10 properties and say they're perfect for everybody, then I'm as bad as the sharks I'm talking about. So come along to the event. It's on in Melbourne on the 21st, it's a Monday night, the 21st of May, and we're going to be at the Oaks on Collins venue. So come along to that one, invite some friends. On those events, we like to go through and cover off strategy to start with, and then we bring an expert on property management, an expert on mortgage broking, another expert on financial advice, and I'll introduce those guys to you over the next couple of weeks getting ready for the event. So if you haven't been to an event before, or you have, come along, let us know. There's click the link below this to make sure you book in, because we need to be able to track numbers for the sake of catering, etc. Okay, I look forward to seeing you there. I'll talk to you again soon. Cheers.